This video will cover how to set up a reseller account. To begin, we need to click the Sign Up button to create a brand new account, and here we can enter our information such as our email, password, first and last name, along with our company name and title. After doing this, the most important step to make is to check the box here that says I have a reseller code. This is what will define your account as a reseller rather than a standard account. So once I click on that box, I'll go ahead and paste in my first code into that field and then proceed with signing up for the account. Now that the account has been created, I can begin preparing my licenses. That initial reseller code that we entered during setup will automatically add as a license that we can use on a player, as we can see here, but there are a few steps that we need to take to add our other codes. Under the Profile button, there's a link to the admin portal where we can view all of our billing information and then add our new reseller codes. If we click on Account and Licenses, we'll see that the license from the first code is already there, but to add new, we'll click on Reseller Codes, and then I'll start pasting in the remaining codes. I'll do this with 3 reseller codes, and you'll see the credit at the top left corner increasing as we go. Now once we've added these codes, you'll see that we still only have that one initial license under that page. Now that's because we've only added the credit that the reseller codes provide, and now we have to specify how we'd like to use that credit. So to do that, we click on Billing, and here we select the type of licenses that we want to buy with this credit. I'll be choosing yearly licenses, and now I'll just begin repeating this process until I've used up the whole balance. Each time that we purchase a new license, you'll see it add to the list below. Now I'm adding a total of 4 licenses, so if you watch as we add this last one, we'll get the message that our credit has been completely used. Now when we recheck our licenses page, we'll actually see the full list of licenses. Lastly, I'm going back to the manager. I'm using the new web manager, and I'll refresh the page and confirm that all 4 licenses are there and ready to be assigned to a player.